Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I have to do a voiceover. My video just totally did not record my voice. So today I have an 8x8 inch canvas and I'm using a new metallic that I just purchased. It's by fluidart, Treasure Gold, and this is called opal fire, something like that. And then there's another one that I purchased, and this is a green. Again, fluidart, Treasure Gold. It's really pretty. So some of the other colors that I'm going to use is this bronze by Liquitex Basics, a fluidart antique bronze, and then I have another antique bronze by fluidart, Treasure. This is a Treasure Gold as well, and then I have some Van Dyke brown I was going to use, and probably the 24 karat gold by DecoArt. So my base is down, and I'm going to do a twist and twirl. I was thinking about kind of fall and leaves and stuff like that, but we'll see. But I am going to do a twist and twirl, and I actually end up doing a little twist at the end, so you're going to have to wait and see what happens. All right, so I'm going to start putting my colors down here shortly. I use a little piece of PVC pipe, just a little piece of white pipe to pour the colors into and twist it around the canvas. I will link a video here showing you how I do it, and I have quite a few videos on this technique. It's basically an open cup pour, but you manipulate it a little bit more. Okay? All right, so sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and watch how this comes to a little twist in the end. All right? pretty, but I feel like it needs something more. So I'm gonna add some swipes in there with the Twirl and Amsterdam white. Actually, I might do black. Okay, hold on one second. So I have my black, carbon black mixture with Twirl, and I'm going to add some little swipes in there. Let's see what happens. So this is actually really, really cool because the black is kind of sinking and it's giving me the lacing, and the colors are like almost like opal-y. It's really pretty actually. Yeah, so the black, I guess the metallics are much, they just rise up. That's why you get a lot, I think that's why you get a lot of effects when you use the metallics. So the black is kind of just, they're thicker, they're heavier. The black is kind of just sinking down, but I like the effect. It's really light. Gives it just enough contrast. So yeah, this is pretty. I like it. Okay. Well, I think I'm done here. I'm not going to do any more to it because it is really pretty and there's some really, really cool things going on here. So I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see what I'm talking about. It's so much shimmer and shine. They almost look like butterflies. Wonder if I can make it look more like a butterfly. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, I'm leaving it because I'm gonna mess it up. It's really pretty. All right, cool things going on here. All right, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have a great one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.